Welcome. We're unboxing this massive Amazon package that I've been waiting to unbox for a very long time. So let's actually do this. Let's just get in. You guys already know what it is. But you know, unboxings are always fun. Just stab it and you know, get it open. Sorry about the new setup, boys. My studio is still getting fixed. I'm missing a couple of lights here and there. I'm using a bit of natural lighting and my studio lights. So you know, there's a lot of things which need to be fixed. It's a pretty ghetto setup. It's a multi-cam setup, but it's a multi-phone cam setup. You know, because PC Peasants is our budget, boys. So, alright, here we go. We have Interesting. A bit of foam, bubble wrap, and really pack it well. Let's throw this aside. And here we go, boys. This is the Gamdias Hebe E1 RGB headset. Looks like a pretty solid packaging in my opinion. So yeah, let's just look at the box really quick. It says RGB breathing lighting, realistic sound, ergonomic comfort, and a smart remote controller. It also has an omnidirectional flexible microphone and oversized earcup design. Alright, so actually this is a very decent premium package for a 1,000 rupee headset. Now obviously the price of the headset, the MRP given on the box is 3,500, but I picked this up for 1,000 bucks, and you can also pick it up for 1,000 bucks. I'm doing the Gamdias Hebe E1 RGB is because this will technically be my first RGB headset. More importantly, it is a budget headset. The idea is to review and unbox budget gaming products that are within our range. Like, I mean, hardware is expensive and peripherals can get very expensive, and maybe we can just hack it with the cheaper peripherals. So I went to the Facebook groups and I asked around, hey, what are the good headsets in the budget range? And this is the one which kept coming back up again and again. So we're gonna look at this real quick. Let's just unbox this. Okay. I don't want to damage the box because I will need to review this later on. And FYI, I will be doing a giveaway for this headset, for this very headset. So stay tuned. Link of the giveaway will be in the description of the review video. Alright, so you know, your standard SteelSeries V2 kind of packaging. I gotta say, I'm quite impressed with the box. It's a really nice box. And oh, we just dropped something. It's the rest of the cabling. And we've got our headset. The headset is seated in a plastic mold. Plastic, kind of cheap plastic. It's not like the HyperX packaging, obviously. I mean, but this is a budget headset, so I guess there's no comparison. And here we go, boys. This feels pretty solid. I will do a proper review. This is more like an early impressions and unboxing. And that's about it. We've got a nice long cable. Cable's nice and thick. Feels pretty good. But at the same time, this is a budget headset, so you're not looking at high quality components. It still does feel like a budget headset. I'm guessing this is the USB cable for the RGB lighting, which I can showcase you in the in the review video. Other than that, it does have these smart controls. You can switch off and on the lights, I guess. You can even mute your mic and unmute your mic. And it has a retractable mic, which comes out, and it's not as long as I would like it to be. Alright, so it's a little bit on the heavier side, you know. The cups are not exactly comfortable, but still, for the price that you're giving. This is a pretty solid build, I gotta say. Feels pretty sturdy. I mean, it's got a bit of cheap plastic vibe, but other than that, you know, like these are the kind of headsets that I used to see growing up in gaming cafes, and if I'm getting this $1,000, I think it's worth it. And you have the RGB LED lights, which I will showcase in the review video. So anyway guys, thank you so much. This was a short unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will do a follow-up review video of the Hebe E1 RGB. This was recommended by you guys to unbox and review. So we will do the review in the next video and a giveaway. One of you can win this lucky headset. Thank you so much. This is Venom from PC Peasants. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace and happy gaming. Take care. Bye bye.